Traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akilakin. I am the lead instructor. So, guys, let me give you this very accurate spike strategy. This strategy is very good in cashing spike. You can see on my screen. So, I put on this trade and spike happen. Though I'm still expecting more spike. You understand? Then I will tell you the reason why I'm still expecting more spike. So before I show you the settings for the indicators, let me quickly explain how these strategies work. What you can see on the indicator window is the RSI plus the MACD and the moving average. You understand? As we all know that MACD has a level 0. MACD has a level 0 here, which tell us or which creates a gap between the buying and selling in the market. Once it's below the level 0, it tells us the market, the sellers are in control, and once it's above the level 0, it tells us the buyers are in control. So, and we know the RSI as the overbought and oversold region, which is this level 15 is the oversold region, while the level 85 is the overbought region. You understand? So when price come to the overbought region, we are only buying from the boom and we are selling from crash. This is spike strategy. So we are cashing the spike. So what do we do when the markets come to the overbought oversold region? We are only concerned about the oversold region when trading boom. So we're really concerned about this area. So once the MACD come to this level and we see a stick is below the level 15, that is where we enter our buy. You can see that from this place, that is where it entered. Though it took time, though I entered late, I got the signal from this place. This is where I enter, and it happened after like 4 candles. You understand? So if you enter here, you will have, because I will advise you, if you put on the buy and the candle is moving beyond 6 candle, if 6 candle can print after your entry, just assist the trade. That is the stop loss. But I enter from here and 4 candle print after the fifth candle, the spike happen with this fifth candle. You understand? So if you see this line, those mark the line, enter below the level 15 of the RSI, which is here. Sorry. Which is here. So you enter for buy. You understand? You enter for buy once you can spot that. Then how do we know what multiple spike is going to happen? Like I said, if the cross between the moving average and the MACD crosses below the 15 of RSI, that means there's still going to be a multiple spike. That is why I said I'm still expecting more spike to happen with this trade. You understand? So let me quickly show you the settings for this strategy. The RSI, we don't need anything than the level. Just put 85 and 15, then choose any color of your choice here. You can make it thicker so that you can see it clearly on the chart. You don't need another thing. Click on done. So on the MACD is on default settings. That is fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD 9, apply to close. So leave everything like this at the default setting. Then the moving average we need is just 2. Then this is where you should come. They apply to previous indicators data, that is the information from the MACD. That is what the moving average is also using. Then click on done. After that, then go back to your chart. If you see something like this, if you are correct, you understand. So this strategy is very good in 500, 1000 and 300 markets. You understand? Let's check boom 500. So I think we have a signal already on boom 500. Fine. This is something I want to also explain. If you want a very good accurate signal, so wait for MACD this MACD to enter below 15. This red moving average to enter below 15. That is very accurate. You can enter for buy here. It's possible for spike to happen, but if you don't want to wait long, wait for this red to also go below the level 15. You won't stay long in the market. That is just one clue I forget to show you before. You can see this, that once the price come below the level 15, the spike happen. The spike happen. You understand? So this strategy is very effective. It's very effective on both boom and crash markets. Let's check crash. So crash 2, we have a signal. We have a signal on crash. You understand? But I'm not going to put on the trade because I don't like trading when I'm recording, so I won't concentrate. You understand? So normal. So it's because I've put on that trade and the trade has already come. I've secured that. That is why I said I should quickly record this video. Find this video if the um signal is still valid. I'm going to put on the trade. You understand? So let me just, you can see it here. You can see this is not anything. The strategy works. It works. It very works. You understand? So just go to your demo account before placing it. The strategies work. It works. It's a very good spike strategy. So if it doesn't work, I won't come up with a video. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.